Friends and girlfriends, hello, everyone in general. I record sound on a lavalier microphone on a new one. I don't know yet what the sound will be like, so don't scold me too much in the comments when editing. I'll hear that I'll have to do this if I pair it with this camera, but I saw that you shouldn't even speak loudly because on the camera. Even on the scale to move away, but maybe this is for the best, I don't know. Maybe such a sensitive microphone. Anyway, we have another one. The parcel is a small package. They estimated $1.80. In fact, it cost. So I bought it. What are you talking about? 910 rubles. Now it costs, if from China, it's club, 1,145 it costs. And the price for it, well, in principle, has not changed. In principle, it remains so until it took quite a long time to get there, 27 days. So let's wait a long time so that. Remove my collective farm from these chargers. One charger now, I'll show you. One charger like this one has 3 ports, and the other one has 2 ports with one device in one socket. Now, I'll show you. It will be possible that my sound is very loud or very quiet, I don't know yet. So don't scold me too much, but still the lapel microphone will probably even be better than the sound on the camera. That's why it's like this. Oops, like this is normal. But I think everything is intact there. This is, if anything, I'll show the seller. So what do we have here?
Давайте распакуем.
Oh wow, I don't think it comes out. It turns out to be so heavy. That's how I did it, so that everything would fit in the frame. Well, the box is such, to me. What is it? What a beautiful card, like this 24 months product warranty, meaning. Warranty? Kidding. 2 to 4 months. 2 years. Okay. Okay. Or whatever it reads. I don't know. Oh, you can see it better. So, the user manual. AC12, 4 ports, wall charger with a button socket. Okay, contents. Okay, we have English, German, French, Spanish, and Italian. There is Italian. There is no Russian language. So 100-240 volts, 16 amperes, and a frequency of 50-60 hertz, which means it produces 3.8 kilowatts. The IC produces. Oh, that's the input. Something is not clear. 3.8 kilowatts at the input. What kind of nonsense are they writing? They write that the variable voltage at the input is equal to 100, 240, 16 amperes, 38 kilowatts. Well, 3800 watts. Okay, 4 outputs, 5 volts, 24 amperes. Multiply that by 4. Well, that means 4. Well, yeah, I see. 6 amps max. 6 amps max. That means we have 1.5 amps each. If we charge everything together, then one input is 1.5 amps. If 3, then 2. And if 6 amps and if 2, let's say, then 3 amps each. Interesting. The size is 995733. Let's check, as the manufacturer claims. So, is the battery dead again? Damn, it really is dead this time. The battery is dead. I need to change it and not forget. Okay, no big deal. I have a tape measure. Okay, 995733. 32. 99. Well, yes, 99. Yeah, look. Chicky-pukey. It seemed to me that something was dangling there. Right away to make a trash can like this, to splatter it. It's strange. The lid is somehow cleaned up like this. Some kind of jam already. And this is not a jam. It's an indicator. There is an indicator, and here it is. It should light up, I think. Red or blue, green, I don't remember. 161 grams of weight. Damn it. Well, I'm not going to run for the scales. We have protection there so that kids don't stick anything in there. Well, that's basically it. The entire user manual. Okay, so what are we going to check? I'll take the camera off now and let's go. Well, look, friends, what a bacchanalia is going on here. Here on 3. Here on 2 USB ports. Now I want to put this one. Like this, or like this, if it fits there in terms of height. The main thing is that the keyboard fits in there, against the wall itself. Basically, if it will be like that, I don't know. We'll see now. Now, in general, everything is connected. Let's see how it will be, how it will look, and in terms of functionality, look how much electrical tape had to be wound. We'll check how it will be, although the second time he checks, the first time he checked it was dangling in general. Something in my opinion.
Я еще и не такое сую, блин, в эту розетку.
No, it's too much. One layer will have to be removed. So, I removed one turn.
Вот убрал. Может, сейчас влезет. Блин, да что такое? Да. Ну-ка. Да что такое-то? Почему так туго?
No, I don't think it will fit.
Не зайдет. Еще
More needs to
снимать
be
надо.
removed.
Так,
So,
отмоталось
I
шнур.
unwound some more. 360 degrees. This time it should probably fit. Come on.
Да, как тут и было. О,
Cool.
классно. Ну,
Well,
в принципе,
basically, look.
смотрите. Положу вас пока на стол. Так. В принципе,
Basically, one socket will be
розетки мне
enough.
тут, наверное, будет достаточно. У меня вот был тройник вот такой вот. Так, под камеру я изоленту, наверное, подложу, чтобы было чуть-чуть повыше. Так, не слишком, да нет?
No, not too much. You were just crawling. Damn. The battery is running low, by the way. Remind me to order from AliExpress or somewhere else. You can look at Banggood and GearBest.
Может, на Banggood и GearBest есть.
The batteries are big. The Panasonic camera is not small. It's like twice as big, but then there.
Но зато там
The capacity is 1.5 times bigger, and probably this battery has already served its purpose. How long has it been in use? Probably 2 years or 3. I don't remember what year I bought the camera. Okay, well, let's check what we have here first. This is our table backlight.
подсветка стола.
Damn, I'll probably have to turn it over.
В принципе, если аккуратно пустить,
It'll probably be okay to lay the wires there, but how do I turn it off? Say, at night?
допустим, на ночь.
That's also more or less okay. I'll probably leave it at the bottom. The next thing I have is the backlight for this monitor backlight.
Ой. Подсветка монитора задняя. Так,
Okay,
вот так вот.
like this, we'll bring it here, turn it on.
Включаем.
There's a backlight. It's on.
Подсветка горит. Так. Ну,
So what do we have next?
дальше что у нас?
Well,
прямо уже
I won't
сюда
be able to
будет
insert this
ставить
here.
этот, как его называют? Вот эту штучку.
A USB meter to measure. Yeah, no, don't get up.
Так,
Okay,
дальше.
next comes the camera charger, but it only turns on when it turns on now, probably. Damn, 3 minutes left. Well, anyway, friends, you can see everything for yourselves.
Сами все видите.
Maybe now everything will turn off, so I say goodbye to you because the battery on the camera is running low.
Что с вами прощаюсь, так как батарейка на камере садится.
I'll leave the link in the description. Well, in principle it's normal, though you can see the wires yourself. Yes, but there is an additional.
Но зато есть дополнительная.
An additional socket, but I think with such consumption how much they are somewhere maybe 2 amperes. Just and the backlight also consumes somewhere 3 or 4 amperes.
Тут уже где-то 3-4 ампера.
The phone doesn't need much. The charger also takes about 1.5. Okay, let's see here. This thing. So that consumers are also connected through it. In principle, it's normal. I'm happy I got rid of these Chinese ones. But at the transition,
Переходников вот таких вот, один на 3, другой на 2. Вот.
everything seems great. The wires don't get in the way. In principle, the wires don't get in the way. Well, something like that.
Как-то так. Так, сейчас свет уже можно отключить и направить на себя. Вот, как-то
How
так,
so?
друзья, вот.
Friends, in
Если
general,
понравилось,
subscribe to the channel, rate,
оцените,
write comments what you liked.
что понравилось, что не понравилось, в общем. Ну,
Now I'm going to test this microphone, by the way, which is at the beginning of the video.
начали видео. А это вот так пишут, ну там, по-моему, или в стоке, или в пользовательских, там какие-то настройки.
Or did I do everything by default? But these microphones, they are not automatic, they are manually configured. How I configured this more or less from the video, I chose what suits me. If it's quiet, since the camera is hanging up here on this tripod. There are shoes on this one, like this up here. In general, it's hanging, and I looked at the microphone.
Висит, а микрофоны сверху, поэтому меня может быть плохо. Так что я посмотрел в редакторе, если что, микрофона поднимают.
The maximum there is 3 to 5 decibels. No more. Well, that's it. The battery is running low. Good luck to everyone. Bye to everyone. See you soon.